Have you heard of this gun devil who can wipe out cities in a matter of minutes?
No.
If you kill him, I'll let you fuck the shit out of me.
Where's the gun devil? Hey, are you the gun devil?
2 minutes. Noza.
Ha! I killed the gun devil. That wasn't the gun devil.
Hello.
Ah, the gun devil! Alright, I killed the gun devil! Denji, that wasn't the gun devil. Fuck!
At least you get to kiss me.
Yippee! That sucked.
At least you get to lose your virginity. Yippee!
Psych, you're a minor. Come on, nothing goes my way! I hope this ramen will make me feel better. Hey. Fuck you. Yippee, we won! No!
I'm gonna get you. You are worthless. Your life is nothing. You serve zero purpose.
Say it!
You should kill yourself now.
Yippee, we did it! Oh my god, she's raising him!
Ghost, help Aki!
No. Come on, pretty please. Okay, fine. Help me! Dog, can you do anything by yourself? Are you the gun devil? No. I'm sharp sword person. Cheat attack, go! What? Alright, let's go!
Espresso compresso!
Oh shit, we gotta run! No! Fucking drive!